And I'm Sam.
I'm Hannah.
Cool. So what we did this week was we spent a lot of time talking through a lot of the nitty-gritty stuff of macro musicality, so the bigger structure of music and how that relates. So one of the first things we did was figuring out how to find the one in the music. So we had everyone kind of count or listen to the music and put our fingers up when we heard the one, and we practiced that a few times. We also talked about learning how to find where the beat is accented, so that's often like a hi-hat or something, and that's when we clap, and those are on the even counts or the 2s and 4s. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And we did some exercises with that.
All right, now that we got you through finding the ones, finding the accents that we wanted, we talked about the big structure of jazz songs. So you're really familiar with counting everything in 8s. Wonderful. So then we talked through, if you have 4 8s together, that's called a phrase. When you put 4 phrases together, then you have a full chorus. Now, in each phrase, oftentimes you'll get the structure where we'll have the same, and then the last 8 will be different somehow.
Yeah, and then for the chorus, we had a slightly different relationship. We had 2 phrases that were the same, and then we had a phrase that was totally different, and then we went back to that original phrase. So for example, the song Flying Home by Lionel Hampton is set up in this way. So we have da 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 da, and then something different, and then that repeats again, and then this part right here is something different, right? So we ended the class practicing and putting these things into our dancing. So one of the first things we did was 3 swing outs and a circle. So 3 swing outs and a circle, 3 swing outs and a circle. Charleston for this part, and then 3 swing outs and a circle, just to kind of get it in our bodies. And then after that, we kind of explored a little bit more. So instead of having to do swing outs, you could do 3 of anything that was the same, and then 1 thing that was different, and so on.
All right, and I think that was all the nitty-gritty for this week. So hope to see you next week.
Yeah, bye all.